Welcome back. So right now we are going to be creating a short form video and a long form video in a program called Syllaby. And this is content that we are going to be using on our real estate social media channels. Right now we're just going to click on faceless videos, and this does a number of things. It generates AI clips. You can use stock footage for its B-roll. You can text a scene with VO3 and Sora, URL to video, and bulk creation. So faceless video, and let's go ahead. And there are a number of styles you can choose from on the left side over here. Let's see, can we scroll down? Let's view more. So as you can see from the top, point of view, selfie, just a whole bunch of styles and models you can choose from over here. But for our real estate agency, we are going to go hyper realism because we do want it to be real. I mean, you can be playful and do comic, but we are not going to do, you can do a character on this too. So let's say I wanted to do me. Okay. Well, we're going to play around with this a little bit. Okay, good. Okay, so like I mentioned before, we can do short form or long form videos. And right here, you would choose 30 seconds or under a minute, or 1 to 3 minutes, 3 to 5, and 5 to 10 minutes. Can you believe that? Up to 5 to 10 minute long form videos. But we are going to do a 1 minute, and we're going to do a landscape, not portrait. We're going to do landscape for this one. So I want to post this on my Facebook channel as a landscape aspect ratio. So over on the right side, you'll see custom script, this drop down here, but you could also do URL to script, suggested topics, and audio to video. But we're just going to do a custom script, and I'm going to use a program called Typeless, so I don't have to type. And, you know, I type pretty quickly, but I talk faster than I type. So let's go ahead and speak in my prompt using this program called Typeless. I'm just pushing function. Here we go. Creates a video about why people should buy real estate in New Jersey at this time. And within a couple of seconds, there it is. Let's come down here and we're going to generate the script. And there are a few other settings that we need to take a look at before we go ahead and generate this. The subtitle style is on Luckiest Guy. I think I'd want it to look a little bit more professional, so I'm going to click on that. And I'm just going to do Montserrat. And the subtitle position, I don't like it to be intrusive, so I like to keep it on the bottom. Highlight color, that's fine. And I already cloned my voice in here, so as you notice, let me see if I can play this for you.
Life is all about takeaways from great people and giveaways to the needy one. Life is all about...
Yep, so that's my voice. Nice. Or you can use other characters in here, and there are a number of voices in Syllaby AI, a number of them. So you can go ahead and scroll through these and try these at your leisure. But we are coming down here. Let's keep coming down, and let's see all options. Image transitions, pop. Yep, I like image transitions. That's important for me. Let's go swoosh left on this. Animation effect. Nope, I don't want any animation effect laying over the images or the videos. Subtitle animation. Nope, that's fine. All right, yeah, so we'll do karaoke. We do want subtitles, so that's fine. We're gonna do karaoke. And let's come down here. Sound effects disabled. Let's enable sound effects. I like sound effects. Background music. The music's okay here, but to be honest with you, I use a program called Suno AI for all of my music, just because I have a little bit more control over the style. I'm not going to add any music. And what I would do is I would download this. I would download the Suno music separately, and I would piece them together or stitch them together, right? Layer them in a program called CapCut. And let's go ahead and generate this video for realtors in New Jersey. Okay, the video is done rendering, and here is the video. And this is with my face on it. All right, this is me cloned in the video. The next video I'm gonna make is not gonna have any faces. It's just gonna be the real estate with some messages. All right, here we go.
Why consider investing in real estate in New Jersey right now? Let me paint the picture. New Jersey's strategic location offers unparalleled access to major cities like New York and Philadelphia, while maintaining its own unique charm. Home to bustling urban centers and serene suburban retreats, it caters to diverse lifestyle needs. The real estate market here is on an upswing, with property values exhibiting steady growth. Moreover, New Jersey has a thriving economy enriched by various industries, ensuring job stability. Investing here not only secures a valuable asset, but also embraces a vibrant cultural melting pot. Isn't it time you explored this opportunity?
Okay. All right. So that was interesting.
Why do you consider investing?
I would have probably changed a couple of those images in there, like the shaking of the hands. Overall, it's not bad, but that's a long form video. Let's go back and create a short form video. Okay, so here we are again, and let's create a script. Create a short video script for someone looking to invest in real estate in New Jersey. Generate script. All right, so stay with me because I'm going to show you how to edit those images, and you can change them out, and you can even put your own images into the video. And that's what we're going to do next. Okay, so script is done. We're going to make it a 1 minute short. I think 30 seconds is a bit too short. So let's come down here. Oh, let's see. Our style on the left side, we have to choose our model or our style. And let's see what we have here. Let's choose something different than hyperrealism. Okay, so let's do animated fantasy. And we're not going to choose a character, right? I don't want a character. I just want the images of the real estate, of the properties. And let's go ahead. Let's come down here. And our portrait is set, right? We're doing portrait, the short aspect ratio, the real aspect ratio, and come down here and we're going to hit generate video. Okay, so here we are and the new video is completed. So let's click on it and take a peek.
Imagine standing on the threshold of one of the most dynamic real estate markets, New Jersey. Nestled near the bustling energy of New York City, it offers a unique blend of opportunities that make it a hotbed for savvy investors. From vibrant urban townhouses in cities like Hoboken, to the charming suburban homes dotting its picturesque towns, New Jersey's real estate presents something for everyone. Rising property values across the state underscore its potential for substantial returns. Dive into New Jersey real estate, where your next lucrative investment opportunity could be just around the corner, waiting to be discovered.
Yeah, that was pretty good. That was pretty good. I would have made a couple of minor changes, but all right. Speaking about minor changes, here is how you can edit this video. Right here. You can download it if you're happy with it, but right here. Okay, so to change out the video, you're going to click on the clip. And then on the right side, you see subtitles, visual, audio, and then image. So click on image. And you can now upload your own images, add your own assets, or regenerate the image. Let's see here. Hand-pointed fantasy, storybook, jewel tone. Okay, so that is okay. If I want to change the prompt, I could. And let's go ahead. AI model, character consistency. Let's change the model to Nano Banana Pro because, well, Nano Banana is one of my favorite image generation programs. Let's go ahead and generate the image. Okay, the image is done. Let's click on it and let's save it. And there's the new image.
Imagine standing on the threshold of one of the most dynamic real estate markets, New Jersey.
Okay, so that's how you change the images. And as you see that these are images that are moving, all right? These are not the generative videos that you see being created. But if you want to add one of your own images in here, let's see, well, let's say we go here, right there. And then we're going to go to image and then we're going to upload our own. So let me browse my files and I'm going to upload one of my real estate images. Okay, let's click on my new image and save it. All right, and there we go. It is now in there. Let's go ahead and play this.
Markets, New Jersey. Nestled near the bustling energy of New York City, it offers a unique blend of opportunities that make it a hot...
Nice. So that's how you add your own. And then let's go to visuals. Come up here. And it says image transitions are mixed. But if you want to change these to none, you can do that. I think it's a little dizzying the way that it's set up right now. So I'm just gonna maybe just change the transitions to be a little bit less aggressive. And you could add visual effects on these too, but I think that might just be a distraction, so we're not gonna do that. Anyway, so we saved everything, and then once we're done with our edits, you would go up here and render the video. Okay, our new video is done. Let's click on it. Just take a quick peek.
Imagine standing on the threshold of one of the most dynamic real estate markets, New Jersey. Nestled near the bustling energy of New York City, it offers a unique blend of opportunities that make it a hotbed for savvy investors.
Okay. So to create actual videos, right, generative videos, you'd go into this section right here where it says Ultra AI Models and where it says Text to Scene, where it uses VO3, Sora 2, Cdance 4, and a few more other models. So let's go ahead and just check this out real quick. And these are going to create for you 8-second clips, and this is fairly standard with these AI video generation programs. You're going to get between 8 and 14 seconds. So let's see here. So, and you would put the prompt in there. And in this case, you would create your prompts and then you would piece together all of your clips. Again, Syllaby AI, it's a great program to use if you have a faceless channel or if you're looking to create content fairly quickly, whether it's short form or long form. But keep in mind, most of Syllaby AI is just moving images, so they're not actually generative videos. So this is where you would create your high quality 8-second images, but you can actually animate your moving pictures, your moving images in Syllaby by using its new Motion AI feature. So it turns just the static image into a moving animated video. All right, everyone, we have a lot more great content coming up soon. So I will see you all on the next video.